guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I thought I'll share some of my favorite products for the summertime. Yes, I am filming outside today, so if you're interested, definitely continue watching. So first thing would obviously be to carry your SPF with you wherever you go. Now this is the one that I use, and this is by the brand Sunbum. Now I really love this one because it's a spray-on sunscreen, so whenever I feel like touching up, I can just spray it on and I'm good to go. Now this one is water resistant and it's cruelty free, vegan, oil free, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. So if you're somebody who has an oily skin, definitely go for some sunscreen which says non-comedogenic and also which says oil free. Sun damage actually ages you far worse than any other agent. So if you're worried about crow's feet, make sure you have your sunglasses on, and in general just please try and wear your sunscreen, guys. So the next thing I try and carry with me all the time would definitely be rose water. So the rose water I got from Whole Foods, and then this is just like a Dollar Tree spray bottle. So rose water hydrates your skin, it helps to fight sun damage, and it also acts like an SPF. And especially during those hot summer days, this is definitely a good pick-me-up. So these two are the things I try and carry with me all the time, especially during summer months. Now apart from using SPF and having rose water by your side, there's just one more thing that you need to have happy skin all through summer, and that is a good quality clay mask. Now instead of buying some from the market which are really expensive, I like to DIY mine, and I use apple cider vinegar and the Aztec Indian clay. I'll link the clay in the description box for you. I got mine from Amazon. I take 1 tablespoon of clay and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now this clay is marketed as the world's most powerful clay, and honestly it really is. I'm very impressed by this clay mask. I love this so much. It helps to shrink out pore size, it sucks out all the excess oil, sebum, blackheads, whiteheads off of my skin, so you do not need to scratch or extract your blackheads off. If you use this mask consistently, all your blackheads, whiteheads, acne scarring and those big pimples will definitely minimize. So give this clay mask a try. Now I'm just applying this on my skin. Now this one is really powerful, so the best time I'll use it is after a nice hot shower. I use this once a week and not more than that, sometimes once every other week, just depends on your skin's need. Definitely don't overdo this. Now after you wash your face might be a little bit red. That's perfectly normal. Just spray some rose water on and then make sure you moisturize your skin really well after. So keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to share my video with a bunch of your friends. And if you're not subscribed already, I would love for you to subscribe. Take care.